Pato! We get drywall installed today, baby. The drywall is going up. Once the drywall go up, the job is done. The house is built. Mi pe mucha. Mi pe musa. Mi pe. Long as I pay pesos, everything okay. Yeah, man, the drywall is going up. Yeah, man. What's up, baby boy? He putting the cameras up. He putting cameras up around his.
Ahora bótalo encima del pico. Discúlpame lo explícito. Este bolete me jale éxito. Yo sé que te gusta lo ilícito. No te pa' que te rompa. Ando con lo que no dobla tu loca. Pone a loca. Para enamorarse.
Everybody say hey to Ant.
What I wish?
What you doing?
I'm do these camera, man.
Tell him.
I'm finna do these camera. You tell him.
That's Ant. Y'all go with Tech first. I need Tech first. Yeah, Tech first. Good, press the power. Boop.
I ain't got a battery right now.
That, it come on for real? That come on for real? Come on for real? I was just playing. What's up? You with him? That who? It's your other man?
Yeah.
I just seen y'all pull that way.
Nah, I pulled right here.
I just seen that truck ride right past me.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, I was on the phone. I'm trying to find it. I forgot the damn address. But anyway, but yeah, we doing, that's 12. Then I'm running the wires for the access point. We have one system.
Yeah.
For all three.
Mm-hmm. What about these cameras on that house? Them cameras are on that house you put right on.
Nah.
No good cameras?
I mean, they straight. I mean, they old, man.
It ain't no way I could tie them in with my camera system? So I can see everything? I want to see the world. I want to see it peeking at me. We gotta have them cameras on way out. No, you got 4 cameras on there. You got 4. Remember we had 5. We took the one out the house when we did the Airbnb. You don't want to come in? It's cold as hell. What's up, bro? What's your name, Bill? Alex Saloon.
You gotta do a bigger MBR though.
I gotta do it. Bigger MBR?
Yeah.
But you definitely can put it together?
Yeah.
But will I need it? Due to the fact that we got cameras all on these houses? Has it been extra? We ain't gonna make that look pretty. It make me mad. I don't like looking at it. Man, that music ain't in your soul.
It's cold as hell, man.
It's in your soul. But my TVs and shit will work from if I get Wi-Fi over here. But my TVs, everything was like my shit still work at that house.
What you mean, like TVs on what?
My TV's on the wall.
Yeah.
It's gonna be strong Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
What the hell you gonna do to make that Wi-Fi so strong?
Shit, you will see.
What about the Wi-Fi that's already on apartments? You can't enhance that? AT&T.